my mind. Now I'm free from the words that I left behind. I gotta jump for joy and shout aloud and make a sound. Oh, the world can stop me now, no. And all the music I will ride on the beat. Play my guitar while I'm stomping my feet, yeah. I gotta celebrate, laugh, and get excited about good times, good living. Come on, shout it out, hey! Take it up, take it over, take it out of control. Today I'm freeing my soul, and now you got me singing, oh, hey, oh, I'm feeling fine, smiling big, feeling right like I should. Life is better than good, yeah, you got me singing, oh, hey, oh, I'm standing up on top of the world tonight, and everything's working out just right. And while the world is spinning, it's a brand new beginning, and we finally winning, hey. So take it over, take it over, take it out of control. Today I'm freeing my soul, and now you got me singing, oh, we gotta be the best we can be. And though sometimes we don't wanna, still we gotta chase our dreams. Reach up and reach high, because we're gonna pull through and give it all we got, even though it can seem hard to catch and make it happen. But we can't stop, it's life, come on and do what you gotta do to fight on. And so no matter what comes your way, nothing can ruin your daily